What does the future of gold's price look like? If we have a look at the price of gold over the past couple of days, over the past couple of weeks, and realistically over the past couple of years, we have seen some really large changes. Just have a look at those gains in gold over the last 20 years, over the last 5 years even over the last 30 days, the last 6 months. We know that gold has been rising significantly. Gold's price is up massively, almost doubling over the past 5 years. However, the question is, where does it go next? And a lot of people are wondering, is now a good time to buy? Now, of course, we are very much near all-time highs at the minute. However, gold's price recently has seen a bit of a drop. Gold's price is sharply down, so are silver futures. They're trading lower simply because the risk has returned to the marketplace, or the risk appetite, I should say. The risk appetite for people is growing, and of course, when that happens, generally perhaps gold goes down. A lot of people see gold as that investment store, that value store. And if the markets become a little bit more stable, let's say, and people feel more comfortable to invest, we could see that actually come down a little bit. And of course, we are seeing the world's two largest economies seeing a significant thawing of their Cold War on trade. Now, this is going to impact the way people feel about a number of things, about gold, about the broader markets as a whole. And the risk appetite is starting to flow back into the markets. This is obviously as the US and China are working better on trade relations. Most tariffs slashed on each other's goods for a period of 90 days. The 90-day accord signals a notable de-escalation in the ongoing trade conflict between the two superpowers. The deal is announced after a high level of negotiation in Geneva, Switzerland, and is seen as a crucial step towards stabilizing global markets and restoring business confidence. So, a joint statement says that after the aforementioned actions, the parties will establish a mechanism to continue discussions about economic and trade relations. The joint statement said, adding to this dialogue would be led by the Chinese Vice Premier, and the US Treasury. So this is quite significant. And again, Asian and European stock markets were mostly higher. We've seen markets broadly bounce a little bit back ever since. The question is, are we going to see gold prices continue to rise or fall? And of course, no one can say for sure. In my personal opinion, when it comes to it, I am looking at the broad markets, right? So a lot of people are looking at the technicals where we are seeing gold and the futures essentially losing that overall technical advantage. And a lot of people think gold is going up even further. Some looking at 33.50, others see it saying it could go down. Now I know it's very much a could go up, could go down argument. Personally, I'm looking more long term, right? I'm absolutely looking more long term. So when I think about this and when I think about what I'm looking for this personally, I think that if the market starts to stabilize, we do have a potential of gold's price going slightly down. However, it is impossible to say. To be honest, guys, I'm not really one for technical analysis. I just wanted to bring you this news as to what we are seeing in the broad markets, in the stock market, in the market of trade, and how this could potentially impact and affect gold's price going forwards. I'm sure you guys will let me know your opinions in the comments. Thank you for your time, and I hope I'll see you again. Goodbye.